Yo, 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 what up, YouTube yaks? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue on my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another unboxing for you guys right now. So normally I'll use the bat knife to unbox this, but because it has a pull slab on it, I can just open it up. I am gonna have to move this off here. The reason why I'm not gonna do it like that is because I still have my address and stuff on it, and I can't rip the plastic off, and I can't use my hot glue gun without actually melting the plastic on it and damage the stuff that's inside of it. So yeah, and no further ado, let me just pull this off real quick. And I'm gonna open up the pull tab. What I can do is flip it this way, like that, and pull it out. So what is this? If you watch my other unboxings with my other video I had, then you probably know what this is. So just get this out the way. So what is this? If you see my other unboxing when I did a special type of poster, then you kind of have an idea what that is. Just trying to get this plastic open. Now I am going to start buying a lot of stuff from this seller. I'm going to be buying a lot of posters from this seller. My average store where I buy my stuff from, it's too expensive for this. And so let me show you the first one right here. There we go. Yes, sir. There we go right there. This one is the 2. Ultra Instinct Goku. As you can see right there. I got to get a frame for this. And the other one right here is Jiren and Ultra Instinct. This one is a 3. And I gotta get a freaking frame for this, because I do want to put this in a frame and put this up on my wall. So these are what it is right here. As you can see, it matches my background. I think I might just keep this one here like that. Just keep it like this. Just put some sticky things on it and put it on the wall like that, just for the time being. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I am gonna keep it like this though. But yeah, tell me what y'all think. I am gonna buy more from the seller to go with my other posters that I have on the wall. So here you go. Put this out the way, because this is gonna be my thumbnail. Okay, I will put the links in the description for this, for these posters right here, so you can get it yourself. And I will catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Wow.